How to make hotel reservation on booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to make hotel reservation on booking. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your device. After you open browser, in the search field, search for booking.com. After you search it and come on the official site of Booking, you'll be able to see this type of interface. After you come on the section, at the top, again in the search field, you'll have to search for any location. After you search it, you'll have to set a date of range. For what date you want to book that. After you choose the date, tap on done. And from here, you'll have to provide the check-in date or check-out date. After you provide the check-in or check-out date, you'll have to just again confirm with your adults or children's from here. Tap on the adults over here. And from here, as usual, choose your adults, your children's. After you choose it, you'll have to tap on done. And from here, simply after you provide these details, tap on search. Okay, after you search for that, you can find a lot of hotels for you. For that, you'll have to select anyone from here. After you select or tap, you will get this type of interface. From here, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and tap on the option reserve for tonight. And from here, you can as usual review the prices or some feature of that room. After you confirm it, tap on reserve. Alright, from here, tap on next step. And from here, as you have to provide the guest details, for that tap on enter guest details. And from here, provide your all of the details like first name, last name, email address, your address, city, zip code or country or region. Although you have to provide your phone number. After you provide all of the details, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option like special request, as you can also do a special request like you want some changes or configuration on that room. After you provide, tap on the option go to final step. From that way, you'll have to provide the payment method, as you can also go with the option online payment or cash. After you choose one payment method, your booking should be done. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.